Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day in Hammonton, New Jersey. Today we're at 119 West Lane and we're in the Lakeshore Drive section of Hammonton, one of the best areas anywhere in South Jersey, one of the best areas, of course, in Hammonton. We have people doing their lawns right now, walking their dogs. It's really a lovely neighborhood. This property is 2,842 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 baths. And the owner just made a lot of impressive renovations, which I'm going to show you next. Let's check it out. Of course, you got the concrete driveway here, and this is 119 West. Door was just recently redone, all nice. Hardwood floors as you enter, and that spills into the dining room here. The dining room has the wainscoting all across the lower level, and it's got lovely crown molding and a nice molding detail on the ceiling. Of course, you have the bump out window there as well. All these floors then throughout the rest of the first floor are all brand new. This plank flooring is just recently installed, only a few days ago. New countertops, you have the dovetail joints, and you have tons of cabinetry here and the jet black appliance package. And you see all of these light fixtures, all of them in the entire house have been replaced. So you got all new lighting. Making your way here, you have your pantry. And as you're walking this way, you can see that you could easily seat 12, 14 people here in that area for the holidays. Now you have this massive great room. It soars up to 20 feet to the top. You have a gas log fireplace and plenty of room to put your big screen TV, and you have a gorgeous view of the backyard, which is all fenced in. We're gonna check that out next. You have a back patio area with stamped concrete, plenty of room for your table and chairs, and you can see that you have the 6-foot fencing all around the entire perimeter. And this is a large size lot for the area, so you'd be getting that. On the other side, you have your natural gas, and you have your dual zone air conditioning system equipment there. That's the entrance, the Bilco door, to your much higher than normal crawl space there. To round out the first floor, you have a lot of closet space here to the right and left. Have this large 2-car garage. Looks like it's new construction. You got a half bath here on the first floor, hardwood floors, pedestal sink, real nice. And then you have your laundry room. Washer, dryer, plenty of room, shelving here, and you have an extra closet. This stores your hot water heater, which is natural gas. And we're heading upstairs. You can see it's the center hall colonial that everybody loves. This carpeting here is brand new, up the steps, and the seller installed new flooring throughout the upstairs as well. And the majority of the house was recently repainted in this very nice taupe neutral paint palette. That overlook is spectacular, isn't it? Let's check out the master bedroom. All new flooring. You have the alcove here. You have the tray ceiling. And you have a master bath suite with a very deep jacuzzi tub. And you got a stand-up shower there. Furniture grade vanity. Everything that you need. Walk-in closet is real nice. The open air shelving makes it very convenient. Just unpack your stuff, good to go. This is bedroom number 2. And it appears to be approximately 12 by 12. You have the big double closet here. You have this landing area with all these spindles, which really makes it the center hall, really makes it pop. The third bedroom, same as the second, say it's about 12 by 12, more closet space. You got a full bath that services the hall bedrooms. You got new granite here as your countertop, and you have a really nice linen closet right off of the hallway. This would be bedroom number 4. Plenty of room for your kids. You could use this as your home office, whatever you need. Upstairs, there's an attic, and there's special trusses up there where there's plywood on the floor, and the trusses make it so that there's a tremendous amount of storage up there. So you have another auxiliary place to put your stuff. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do so. We put out new content every time we get a new listing, and that's often. It gives you an advantage so that you know the new listings if you want to bid on it. First in the door really has a tremendous upside. And if you really like the video, give us a thumbs up on it and make sure you share it with your family and friends. To highlight everything in the home, we have 4 beds, 2.5 baths, 2,842 square feet. And the seller has recently made a whole lot of upgrades to this property. And the big items are new flooring throughout the entire house. Just about the whole thing has been re-floored. This beautiful gray planking, and you have new rugs going up to the second story. All new light fixtures, tremendous, the whole house. Got these granite countertops in the kitchen, real nice. And the majority of the house has been repainted into this really neutral paint palette. You got a great backyard here, fully fenced, great for privacy, pets. The kids are going to be safe. And if you're looking to move to Hammonton, New Jersey, this house could be perfect for you. The Hammonton school systems are regarded as some of the finest anywhere in South Jersey. And as always, make your appointment because Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.